Ever questioned how the ethics of AI design can shape our future? It's a profound query that merits our attention, as AI technologies become increasingly integrated into our daily lives. AI ethics isn't just a fancy term thrown around in Silicon Valley or tech conferences. It's a real, tangible issue that impacts us all. When we design these intelligent systems, we're essentially creating digital reflections of our societal values, norms, and biases. Picture this. An AI system is like a mirror. It reflects the data it's been trained on. And if that data is biased, the reflection, the AI's decisions, will be too. Now consider the myriad ways AI is used today, from recruitment processes to credit scoring, from healthcare diagnostics to personalized marketing. If these systems are biased, the consequences can be far-reaching and detrimental. Bias in AI design can lead to unfair outcomes, and that's exactly what we'll delve into next. Bias in AI isn't just a theoretical concern, it's a real issue with tangible impacts. To understand this better, let's dive into some real-life case studies that clearly demonstrate the impact of bias in AI design. Our first stop is at one of the world's largest online marketplaces, Amazon. In 2015, Amazon attempted to automate their recruiting process. They developed an AI system to sort through resumes and pick out the top talents. However, the AI started showing a significant bias against women. Why, you ask? The AI was trained on resumes submitted to Amazon over a 10-year period. Most of these resumes came from men, leading the AI to believe that men were preferable candidates. The AI even downgraded resumes that included the word women's, as in women's chess club captain. Clearly, the AI was not being malicious. It was simply following the patterns it had been taught. But the impact was a serious setback for diversity and equality in the workplace. Next, we turn our attention